So guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're gonna do some chicken foot soup. Simple. So guys, this is my chicken foot, my pumpkin, my carrot, and I have some garlic in this. So I'm gonna put this to cook. I'm gonna pressure it. I'm gonna pressure it for like 15 minutes because it's chicken foot and it's not that hard. It don't take that long to cook. So I'm gonna pressure this for like 15 minutes. This has and then been pressured for 15 minutes, and this is what it looks like. So to this I'm gonna add my food and my seasoning. So guys, this is my dumpling, and these are my yam and Irish and dasheen. These are my seasoning that I'm gonna use. Now I'm gonna put pimento seed also, and maybe a pepper, maybe, because they're skits. And yeah, I'll show you what that looks like when I'm through doing so. So guys, I have add my season to this, and I'm gonna allow this to cook for at least 20 minutes. Allow the food to cook and the noodles and all to be properly cooked, and then you will see what that look like. I am not really a food person. I am more for the soup. So my soup will always have more soup than food in it. So this I'm gonna allow to cook because the food is in it and the seasoning, everything is in it already. I'm not gonna put pepper in it because my baby, she likes soup, and I don't want the pepper to even accidentally burst, so she might not enjoy it. So yes, this I'm gonna allow to cook for 20 minutes, and you'll see what it looks like when it's finished. So guys, after 20 minutes, this is what my soup looks like. So it is ready, and yeah, gonna let it cool down for some minutes, and then I will plate it. This looks so rich and nice. So guys, this is my soup. So for me, it's mostly soup than food. So yeah, this is it guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I do hope you guys enjoy, and yeah, tell me what you think about my soup. Simple but tasty.